place must be given. To find the difference between the two times in hours. 3. Relate the difference or answer question in number 2 above to the formula. 4. Find if any of the locations has more hours. 5. The location has more hours, it should belong to longitude east. 6. The location that has less hours should belong to longitude west. Example: if the time at Owerri is 10 hours and the time at Aba is 3 p.m., calculate the longitude. A. Aba. B. Owerri. Solution: time at Aba equals to 3 p.m., which is 15 hours. Time at Owerri is equal to 10 p.m., which is 10 hours. We minus to get Owerri to Aba. The difference from Owerri to Aba is 5 hours. 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. 4 minutes is equal to 1 degree. 15 degrees is equal to 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 15 degrees. For 5 hours is equal to 15 times 5 will give us 75. Therefore, Aba is 75 degrees east, Owerri is 75 degrees west. Example: if the time at Ibeme is 12 noon, at the time at Alude is 8 p.m., calculate the longitude along A. Alude, B. Ibeme. Solution: time at Ibeme is equal to 12 noon, which is 12 hours. Time at Alude is 8 p.m., which is 20 hours. We find the difference in hours. We have 8 hours. 4 minutes is equal to 1 degree. 1 hour is equal to 15 degrees. 8 hours from the difference in Ibeme, time difference, is now 15 times 8, which is 120. Alude is 120 degrees east, Ibeme is 120 degrees west. Example: the captain of a ship got in touch with the head of in Accra from town Y at 6 a.m. The time was 12 midnight at Accra. What is the longitude at Y? Solution: the time Y where the captain is 6 a.m., which is 6 hours. The time at Accra is 12 midnight, which is minus 0 hours. The difference of hours is 6 hours. 4 minutes is equal to 1 degree. 1 hour is equal to 15 degrees. Therefore, 6 hours is equal to 15 times 6, which is equal to 90 degrees east. Example: Aladima time is 10 minutes after 1 p.m. Orata time is 10:37 or 27 minutes to 11 p.m. Calculate boundary at A. Orata, B. Aladima. Solution: Orata time is 10:37 p.m. while Aladima time is 1:10 p.m. That is 10 minutes after 1. You get the difference in hours, which is 9 hours 27 minutes. 4 minutes is equal to 1 degree. 1 hour is equal to 15 degrees. 9 hours now be equal to 15 times 9, which will give us 135 degrees. This is equation 1. The 9 hours is from the time difference between Aladima and Orata. Then to get the fraction which is remaining, which is 27 minutes, we have 4 minutes is equal to 1 degree. 27 minutes is now equal to 1 over 4 times 27 over 1, which will give us 6 hours, 3 over 4 degrees. This is our equation 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2, we have that 137 plus 6 hours, 3 over 4 degrees. Therefore, we have Orata to be 141. 3 over 4 degrees is that 3 over 4 times 60 will give us 45 degrees. If you convert 3 over 4 into degrees, therefore Aladima will be 141 degrees west. Uses of longitude. 1. They are used by aeroplane to cut journeys short. 2. They are used for locating places on the earth. 3. Longitudes are used for calculating local time, international time, or standard time. 4. Longitudes are used as coordinates in surveying land. Structure of the earth. The core, which is the embryo of the earth, having the lava, is the central point of is the main core of the earth, is called the biosphere or the core, followed by mesosphere or mantle. This is where you see the nickel or iron. Then after that, you now found the earth crust or the lithosphere, followed by the atmosphere. We also have the ocean or the hydrosphere, which contains all the water bodies of the earth. Now we have the seas weighing 2.7. The seas contains the silicon, aluminium found in all continents. This is where it's called the lithosphere. Then we have B, the SEMA, weighing 3.0, containing silicon, iron, and magnesium. Then we now have the mesosphere or mantle, olivine rock, 1,800 miles. The total from is now 1,900 kilometers. Then followed by the core or biosphere, nickel, which contains nickel, iron, and iron, which is 2,160 kilometers down to the earth crust. Earth crust. The structure of the earth is divided into 3 concentric layers, namely the earth crust, the mantle, and core. The earth crust is known as the lithosphere. It contains granite rock made up of silica, aluminium, called Sial, which measures 2.7. It contains all the continents. The lower part of the first layer contains basalt rock made up of silicon, iron, and magnesium, called SEMA, which measures 3. It forms the ocean floor. Thickness of the earth crust varies from 3 to 6 miles up to 9.7 kilometers. The second layer of the earth is called mantle or mesosphere. It contains rich dense rock called olivar. The thickness is about 1,180 miles or 1,900 kilometers. Core biosphere. The innermost layer of the earth is called core or biosphere. It contains nickel and iron known as knife. The thickness is about 2,160 miles or 3,478 kilometers. The temperature has been observed to be as high as 3,500 Fahrenheit. As a result, all the minerals content in core has been subjected to great heat and pressure for 7 hours. It's why the rock are found to be a molten rock, which begins to flow towards the upper layer of the earth consequently. Thus, volatile flow causes the formation of volcanic found in mountain, earthquakes, and other features. Similarities between Sial and SEMA. 1. Both contain silica. 2. Both belong to the first layer of the earth. 3. Both are found on the earth. 4. Both are formed by the ocean. 5. Both contain minerals. Action.